Where we build solutions, it's because we want to localise and centralise and join up our understanding of the customer, our systems and our goals for them to help them decarbonise their homes. Versus when we buy, we'll then use it to kind of execute on those visions.
So tell me a little bit about OVO and the way they work, and if you have a particular ethos or approach to working within your organisation.
Okay, so we serve 4 million customers, and so our values are really important to us. And one of the most important ones is to do what's right. Within the energy industry in the UK, it's like a genuine privilege to be the folk that get to own the relationship with the customer and serve them their energy and help them understand how they can save energy. So one really important value is just do what's right by our customers. Another is quite key to our principles of like great customer service, and that's to build something great. In many ways, we're a technology company as well as an energy company, so build something great has always been a key part of our principles. And then the last one, because we're always evolving, technology is evolving and the energy space changes rapidly as well, is to find a better way. So we constantly challenge ourselves to look for a better way to do things.
You mentioned a little bit about OVO being a technology company, but also a green sustainability organisation. How do you decide if you buy tech or build your own?
We do both. When we are buying technology, though, as a principle, we tend to use it definitely like a commodity, where it's been done before, where it's a solved problem. And we take particular care to ensure that we treat it as such, as like a, say, an execution channel for, say, like sending a communication. Because it's really important for us to achieve our mission, to understand our different customers' needs. Some of them are ready to take some first steps on the path to decarbonising their homes, and others aren't. And so we need to ensure that we've got a really good understanding of the customer and their, like the data that we have on them that we need to protect. And so where we build solutions, it's because we want to localise and centralise and join up our understanding of the customer, our systems and our goals for them to help them decarbonise their homes. Versus when we buy, we'll then use it to kind of execute on those visions.
Thank you, and it's interesting insight that you're sharing actually there about, because it connects to your ethos and values and actually, you know, doing what's right by the customer. So I have to thank you for being a Google Cloud customer. That's wonderful. Tell me about the journey and the thought process about actually becoming a Google Cloud partner and client, and what the technology means for you.
Sure. So BigQuery is a really important part of our data platform. It enables our analysts to access the data in like a truly flexible way, and in a way that we don't have to, you know, worry about the scale or the management of the service. So it's really helped us with the amount of data that we're capturing with our different initiatives to ensure that we can truly kind of federate that ability to manage and own data. But it's also like our development platform and our ecosystem. So our AI applications are developed on the Vertex platform, and actually being able to stay local within that ecosystem is a benefit for us. There's quite a lot that we can build out that's relatively kind of low code in terms of things like data pipelines. And so we're not needlessly moving like large quantities of data around, which again is better for doing what's right for the customer and protecting data as well.
Can you tell me a little bit about PowerMove? Because I know that's something that you're incredibly proud of, and actually what the benefit is to everybody.
Sure thing. So PowerMove is a challenge to our customers to participate with us in getting greener energy usage on the grid. So we reward our customers for shifting their energy usage away from peak times and pay them back in credits. So we've paid back £1.5 million worth of credits to our customers.
That's a lot.
Yeah, and that's a great incentive.
Yes.
Because it's dual benefit, right? Cost and carbon. And the carbon equivalent is 63 million LED lights running for an hour. So a big kind of carbon tonnes avoided as well.
That is quite considerable. And I suppose, is that all around the smart metering that's all tied back to that?
You couldn't do it without smart metering, that's right, because you need to be able to understand what their energy usage was at different times of day to then measure and assess whether or not it was shifted. Similarly to how you would need a smart meter to offer, for example, the energy insights that I talked about.
I will tell that to my parents because they still have yet to go to a smart meter. What about the Beyond app? Tell me a little bit about that.
Okay. It's a new way for customers, I think, to think about their energy usage. It includes like a number of offers, but in particular it includes an energy savings account. So by joining our Beyond experience, you can actually start banking like future electric vehicle miles. Even if you don't have an EV, you can start banking them as reward credits that we offer you. We're offering like 5 free solar panels to each customer. I believe we're the only supplier to be doing that. And it really gives like our customers an understanding of what the zero carbon future looks like. They may not be ready today, like I'm not personally ready to buy an EV today, but the thought that I can bank my miles is like of great, it's exciting for me because I can see myself on that journey.